A very good afternoon to all the Python programmers. Today we are going to discuss the very important concept of Python programming, and we are going to use a new library, that is OpenCV. So today we are going to convert a color image to a grayscale image in Python using the library OpenCV. This library we need to install using the pip install command on command prompt. On my system it is installed, and that's why I don't need to install now. And pip is a package manager for all the Python packages. In the later versions of Python it is included by default. So our concept is, today we are going to discuss in programming that how can we convert this color image to a grayscale image, as two images are in front of you. One is colored image and one is grayscale image. So our input will be color image and the output would be grayscale image. So let's see how can we implement this beautiful concept in Python. Let's move on. So this is my file that I have saved it with the name color.py extension. So you can save it with any name. The extension is .py. So to start with, first of all, we are going to import CV2 as it is already installed in my system. I am telling you, but you need to install using pip install command. Basically CV2. My dear viewers, what is CV2? CV2 is a library of Python that is basically designed to solve the computer vision problems. After importing this library, we need to read the image in the form of, in the form of matrix. It will read the image. We are taking one variable over here, img equal to cv2 dot imread. Here the name of my image is rose.jpg, and this is the flag value. Now you might be thinking that what is it imread? What is it imread method of CV2 library OpenCV? So img equal to cv2.imread, it is a method that loads an image from the specified file. If the image can't be read, it will return an empty matrix. This particular method basically returns the matrix of pixels which represents the given image. Now what is pixel? Pixel is the smallest unit of image. You might be thinking that why I have written over here rose.jpg and 0. These are the parameters value. Here rose.jpg, it is the path of that image where that image is stored in the same Python folder where that this file is saved, and 0 is the flag value for the grayscale image. Different flag values are there, 1, 0, -1, but for the time being we need to convert our color image to a grayscale image. That's why we have given here 0. That is for the grayscale image. And after that we are going to print our image. Print our image means it is going to show the pixel values of your image. In the form of matrix, it will show the pixel values of your image. And then let's check the type of our image. So what is the type of our image? So that we can check using type method. I told you earlier in my classes that how can we check the type of any particular object is there, like type of string or type of any number. So that will show you to which class does it belong basically. Then we are going to use print img dot shape. Print img dot shape. What does this method do? Basically, the shape of an image is assessed by img dot shape. It returns a tuple of the number of rows, columns and channels like red, green and blue. This method will show the shape of the image in the form of rows, columns and channels. So you might be thinking, now what is channel? Channel is basically the red, green and blue combination. So but here it will show you the number of rows and columns only, as our image is grayscale. If the image is colored, then it will show you tuple of rows, tuple of columns, a tuple of rows and columns and channels. But in case of grayscale image, it will show only tuple of rows and columns. It is the best way to recognize whether your image is a color image or a grayscale image. Next we are going to discuss cv2.im show. Here we are going to specify the name of our new grayscale image, img. We are passing img over here. It is used to, imshow is a method of CV2 that is basically used to display an image in a window. The image will the window will automatically fits to the image size. Then CV2 dot wait key. Wait key is a method for keyboard binding. This is an argument in milliseconds. That function will wait for this specified time period for any keyboard event. So at last we are going to destroy all the windows that we have created. CV2 dot destroy all windows. So this is our program. So let's run it and see whether the colored image of rose, it gets converted to grayscale image or not. So there is an error. So let's check which error is this. Yeah, it will not come here. So it will be like this. Let's run again. You can see this was the grayscale image conversion of the color image. This is the, first of all, print img. Print img means it is printing that image in the form of matrix. These are the pixel values. Type of that image is numpy array. And what is this 500 500? It is img.shape that is returning the tuple of rows and columns in the grayscale image. So if you have not seen it properly, let me show you again. If we run this program, it's working properly now. This is the grayscale image. That is the particular time period that it is being shown on the screen, and the finally we are going to destroy all the windows. So it's all about the today's video. How can we convert the color image to the grayscale image? So basically IMRead method works for many image formats, JPG, PNG and other formats. So thank you.